jjlearnersspot. In this video, we are going to see the concept of HCF, highest common factor. It is also known as greatest common factor, GCF, or greatest common divisor, GCD. All the three terms are representing the same concept. First, what is a factor? A factor is a number that divides the given number without leaving any remainder. That is, the remainder is 0. Here we see the example. What are the factors of 12? The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. These numbers exactly divides the number 12. Then, what are the factors of 18? 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. 1 and the given number is always a factor. Here, what are the factors are common? 1, 2, 3 and 6. 1, 2, 3 and 6 are common in both 12 and 18. Multiply all the numbers. 1 into 2 into 3 into 6. 2 3s are 6. 6 6 are 36. So the HCF of 12 and 18 is 36. How to find the HCF by division method? Here we see on example, find the HCF of 27 and 63. Using the factorisation 27 prime factorization method. Okay, 27 is divided by 3, so take 3 and 3 is 27, again 3, 3 3s are 9 and 1 3 is 3. Note that in factorization the divisors must be a prime number. And 63 factorization 3, 2 3s are 6, 1 3 is 3, again 3, 7 3s are 21, 7 is also a prime number. So the factors of 27 equal to 3 into 3. Here 63, 3 into 3 into 7. See, what are the factors are common? 3 and 3 is common. So multiply the products. HCF equal to 3 into 3. HCF of 27 and 63 equal to 9. This is another example. Find the HCF of 34 and 102. In the last example, we do the factorization separately for 34 and 102. Here we see a common division. Put L like this and write the two numbers separated by comma. Okay, start with the smallest prime number that divides both the numbers. 34 is divided by 2, 102 is divided by 2. So take 2 as a divisor. In LCM, the divisor should divide at least one of the numbers. But here the HCF, the divisor must divide both the numbers. 34 divided by 2, 17. 102 is divided by 2, 5 to 10, 1 2 is 2. Here, what's the divisor that divides both the numbers? 17. 17 is a prime number. So put 17, 1 comma 51 divided by 17, use 3. In LCM, we repeat the process until all the numbers reach 1 comma 1. If you don't see the LCM video, I will give the link in description. Go and refer it. But for HCF, stop there where there is no common divisor that divides both the numbers. Multiply the numbers. Here HCF equal to 2 into 17. 2 into 17. So the answer is HCF of 34, 102. Write like this, the bracket of 34, 102 equal to 17 into 2, 34.
We are providing math one-on-one tutoring sessions at affordable rates. If you need support, then contact us for your free trial session.
1, any number. 1, x equal to 1. HCF of x, y equal to x. If y is a multiple of x. HCF of two numbers is 1. Then the numbers are said to be co-primes or relatively prime. Thanks for watching.